a brilliant comeback performance. And on the other side, Arsenal lost their game. To whom? To Man City. Okay, so now Man City are the contender for winning the EPL. Like, I'm seriously now. I mean, why just we let Tottenham lose? Why just we made Tottenham lose? I hate Man City, man. I just hate Man City. But emotion can't get over this game. I have to make the scarier modes. I have to win the games for you. So that's all. Now the thing to see, have we made it into the team of the year? Have we made it into the team of the year, guys? A big moment. Have we made it? I mean, I can't just check the other things on. Okay, so fans player of the year, team of the year, for rest we will see after that. So have we made to the team of the year, man? Have we made to the team of the year? 3 on my count. 3, 2, 1. And yes, we did make it to the team of the year. Christian Pavalic is on the team of the year for the Premier League, and he's even the player of the year for Leeds United. Can't just believe this, man. At the age of 19, making into the Premier League team of the year besides the likes of Aubameyang, Aymeric Laporte, Alisson Becker on goal. Okay, that's just so good. Kieran Tierney. I mean, no good players like you see Harry Kane or Sergio Aguero. I don't see them. So, I mean, Christian Pavalic just outstepped him. So, can't just believe this, man. Can't just literally believe this. So, another Leeds United player. Okay, Rafinha has made it. That's quite cool. Now, it's suddenly a great moment, a great turn in the Scaria Mode series as Juventus are offering Christian Pavalic. I mean, this is one hell of a moment. Juventus offering Christian Pavalic. Can you imagine this, guys? I just can't. I literally can't imagine this. So, an offer from Juventus. I would let you guys think of this. Just write me down in the comment section below. Should we accept the offer of Juventus and move to a bigger club? Because according to my opinion, I think we should not. We should move to a big club, but not like Juventus, where we might not be guaranteed opportunities. But let's have a talk with the manager first, whether we would be guaranteed opportunities in the Juventus side. So just after having a chat with Andre Pirlo, the Juventus manager, Christian Pavalic thinks it's not a good decision. It will not be a good decision to sign for a club like Juventus right now. Because of course we can't overthrow the likes of Dybala, Chiesa, McKennie in the side. And so after asking for game time, the manager completely didn't hint anything for starting him in the first 11. So it's of course what you guys are thinking. We are going to reject Juventus and probably hunt for a better club, or even good, stay in Leeds United for another season and then hunt for a club. So now the decision's up to you. Should we move to a bigger club, or should we stay in Leeds United? Drop it in the comment section below, because today is the last episode of this season. So the next game is against Everton. After a victory against Tottenham Hotspur, we are suddenly, I know we are not in the contention for the top 6, but at least for the top 7, so that we can at least get in the top 7 clubs in the Premier League in a season. So here we go. The next game against Everton. Everton are currently in the 4th spot, and they have booked their Champions League spot, or not maybe, but the goal difference is too much, so you may never know what happens. So here we go, the next game against Everton. It would be difficult if Everton loses the next game for them, but we need victories, man. We need definitely victories, and of course Christian Pavalic scoring. So here we go, Everton versus Leeds United. Huge game for Christian Pavalic, as the offers might come soon.
Sonzi, and it's with the star player. It's with the striker. And it's with the star player. Optimistic effort. Good save. Let's see that again. Defender then back on the ball. Sigurdsson with the ball. And he's back in possession. Well, and with the defender, well, that's the first half then. Defending questionable at times. Stern words from the manager in the Inter Milan match. So the second half underway. All to play for. And both teams more than capable of winning this. And he's not happy with that decision, but he did seem to stray slightly offside. Ulloa. Oh, it's a clear chance. Goodness me, that was close. Defenders back on the ball. Lovely bit of still superb challenge. And he's back in possession. Striker's ball. Well headed. That's left it upfield. Sonzi, striker's ball. Pulls the ball. Surely enough to put it through.
So yet again, bullseye in the Premier League as we get our 10th goal of the Premier League, and yet again it's Christian Pavalic in the last minute. So we send Everton once again through, but not to the Europa League or to the Champions League. And now probably we have to remain in the 7th spot or 8th spot only, but must say a good performance from Leeds United. Definitely they just lost 6 games. I mean, they were the second most undefeated side after the Man City, who are champions of the Premier League. I mean, I'm definitely not happy with this, but anyway, our job is now for getting Christian Pavalic scoring in the last game. He's 10 goals right now in the Premier League, so wonderful season for Christian Pavalic, his debut in the Premier League, and he just turned everything upside down. I mean, 10 goals for a day for a wonder kid, just 19 years old. He would turn 20 in the beginning of the next season. That is in the month of June. He would turn 20. So a lot to see there. Now next we go up against the final game against Leicester City. Christian Pavalic is starting, and hope we can see more goals in the last game against Leicester City. So here we go, Leicester versus Leeds United in the final game.
This now, how the team is lining up. Overall, this should be an entertaining game. Striker's ball. Oh, he has a go. Schmeichel saves. So a free kick then. Oh, it's the first card of the day, and it's yellow. Good interception. Sonzi. And it's with the start. Oh, he has a go. Look, that was in, and I think half the crowd did as well. With the striker. And it's with the start. That's good work by the defence, just offside. Muller. whistle. It wasn't a great ending for the performance. Second half, and still plenty to play for. So, neck at half time. The next 45 minutes should prove decisive here. Oh, and that's given away. And it's with the start player. Vardy on the ball. Great tackle. And it's with the start player. Sonzi. Gets the he scores! It's the first goal of the day and a thoroughly deserved lead. And it's with the star player. Great tackle. Voila.
So that comes to the end of the video, that comes to the end of the season, that comes to the end of the Premier League as well. So City winning the Premier League with 83 points. The top four: City, Crystal Palace, Tottenham, Everton. Unexpectedly, I don't know how Crystal Palace made it, and they even came third. That's pretty good, I would say. Leeds United finishing in the 8th spot. Liverpool, Chelsea getting the Europa League spot. Leeds United finishing in the 8th. Quite impressive football in the beginning, in the debut season of Leeds United in the Premier League. That's definitely a good season for them. Anyway, so now the thing why we are here. Christian Pavalic has ended his first professional season with the club, and it's Leeds United. 26 matches, 10 goals, 3 assists in the Premier League. And in the FA Cup, he got 2 matches, 1 goal. So I can't just say anything more. For a 19-year-old kid, wonder kid, who will turn 20 next season. So that's just brilliant. And that's what happened in the first season. Hope you guys enjoyed this first season. If you want to see more, if you want to see the next season as well. Oh, good news is that, well, we completed all the season objectives. That's really good. So as I was saying, if you are enjoying this player career mode series, if you want to see the season 2 as well, of course, like the video. If we get a 300 likes, that would be amazing, and I would be uploading the second season within tomorrow or day after tomorrow itself. So until we meet the next time, goodbye guys. Subscribe to my channel. Hope you hit the bell icon. And also, if you have any suggestions before the second season, write it down in the comments. Currently, right now, just do it, because the second season is going to come soon. And if you have any suggestions or transfer requests, of course, drop it down in the comment section, and do it quickly, because season 2 might be coming tomorrow only. You may never know. Goodbye guys, and take care.